Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make music sound muffled on Capcut. So first, you can add the music first. Click on add audio and choose sound. So I'm going to select the music from my device. Here I'm going to use this extracted music. After that, what you need to do is go to the audio effects to make it sound muffled. You will choose this between these three voice filters. So you can choose megaphone, final, or lo-fi. So just choose between those three and make adjustment to your liking. You can click on the voice filter to adjust it more. If you're done, click on the check icon, and that's how you can make the music sound muffled. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.